When replacing the oil sensor, you expose the wires from the plastic housing on the unit. And you'll get 2 wires here. Disconnect the yellow, and disconnect the black. Then get your 10 socket or your 10 spanner. Hold on to the oil sensor. When putting on a new oil sensor, you get your 10 bolt. I thread it a little bit first. Get your 10. And then you connect the black wire to this part here. And then you connect the yellow wire to the yellow wire here. After they've been connected, gather all the wires back up and then fix them into the plastic housing on the unit.